Hi guys, welcome to ORW installation guide. Topic of this video is self-explanatory, but I would still like to emphasize few important things. You can see that current setup is quite different than one from previous video, and that's because ORW is currently not installed. Since I already have ORW installed and configured in certain way on my daily driver, in order to demonstrate whole process from scratch, I decided to do tutorial on live OS, and I chose archbank for a few reasons. First, I'm an Arch user. Second, archbank is closest OS to vanilla Arch that I came across which supports live boot. And the final reason is it ships with OpenBox by default. Also, the installation process is a bit quicker on Arch since it already has all necessary dependencies in its official repo. For all my fellow archers, you can also find ORW in AUR, but now I will demonstrate a universal approach described on GitHub installation instructions, which is applicable to both Arch and Debian-based distros. If your platform of choice is currently not supported, feel free to provide dependency installation equivalent for your platform, and I will gladly include it. Okay, that being said, we can now start. To clone ORW from GitHub, you will need Git, so let's install Git first. On Debian-based distro, you would use sudo apt install git instead. Okay, now that Git is installed, we can clone the repo. Of course, you can place it wherever you like. Now that we have ORW, the last step is to run setup sh, which is located in directory we clone ORW into. Exclamation point and dollar sign just refers to last argument of previous command, which is destination where I chose to clone ORW. Since dependency installation can take quite a while depending on speed of your network connection, I'll speed video up until that's done. Okay, installation is done, and as you can see, we are greeted with success message, which means we are ready to start playing around after next login. So let me log out now, and I will see you in the next video.